Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be going over my top 4 steps on how to get a nice green lawn, and just so you know, they're going to be easy ones. Step number 1, we're going to drop our lawnmower to the lowest setting. Let's go cut the grass. My favorite thing about this lawnmower is the fact that it folds up. Maybe every lawnmower nowadays has that, but certainly all the ones that I've had in the past have not. And it's going right in our tiny storage closet in here. All right, y'all. I'm dropping down some Milorganite. It's one of my favorite fertilizers. It's actually left over from last year. Again, early spring, we're gonna get this down. And I'm doing this a low-tech way. We don't have a lot of land. So, boom, hand spreader. You know, I could just sit here and just rotate in a circle.
Step number 3. I always look for the most affordable garden soil or potting soil. You're going to top dress your lawn with that. Rake it out and get it as smooth as you can. Okay, y'all, one of the final steps here is to use a starter fertilizer. It's low on the NPK scale, 7, 12, 15 for the NPK. And I like this a lot because it's liquid and it goes into the soil right away. The grass is coming in dark green. All that Milorganite has really picked it up. And of course, it's super healthy and super thick in just a month time. So very excited about that. All right, y'all, I've got to bring up this subject. Did you know that clovers that you find in your lawn are actually a good thing? They have these little nodules on their roots that puts nitrogen back into the soil. It is a form of free fertilizer. So I know our culture likes to say, oh, I want to kill the weeds that are in my lawn, and weed killers will knock out all these kind of broadleaf type things. Well, you're putting a lot of toxic chemicals out there, and really, multicultural lawns are actually good. When you get into monocultural lawns, there's fungus and stuff that can take over and knock the whole thing out. So it's really beneficial to allow some other types of plants to be in your lawns. All right, y'all, and that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Until next time, take care.